Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on that beautiful motif. This is the back side and this is the front side. Let's get started. Now we are going to start by a slip knot and then I'm going to chain 5, then make a circle, and I have a loop here. I'm going to start by chain 3, and then we have to make 8 poof stitch in that loop. So I'm going to start by grab the yarn 1, 2, 3. I make the first one, I chain 2, grab the yarn, and I'm going to grab the yarn 4 times, chain 2, and we are going to make more 6. In total we are going to have 8 poof stitch in that row, and I'll be back when I do that. Now I already finished the 8 poof stitch. I'm going to chain 2 and finish the job by making 1 slip stitch on the top of the chain, chain 1, and finished it. Now it's time to insert and use the new color. I'm going to start by chain 3 and make a poof stitch, chain 1 for separation, and then make another poof stitch in the same loops. Now we are going to make 2 poof stitch in each of these separation. In total we are going to have 16, but for separation between this row we are going to have 3 chain, and then we start again here to make a poof stitch by grab the yarn 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 3 chain, and we keep continue until the end of the row. At the end of the row 2 I have the pattern like that. I already have 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I'm going to chain 3 and then make a slip stitch to finish this row like that. We are going to change the color again. And in this row we are going to increase again the pattern by we are going to do it in this separation by start to chain 3, then make a poof stitch 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1 for separation, 1, 2, 3, and 4, This time we are going to make 3 in each separation. So we are going to make one more here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we keep continue by make chain 4. Skip that one. In the next separation we are going to make 3 puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we making 4 chains, and we keep continue to make 3 puff stitch in each of these separation, and I'll be back. As you can see here, I finished row 3 by make 3 puff stitch and then 4 chain. Now it's time to finish the job by slip stitch like that, and this is done. The pattern should be continued by in this example. For the next row I made 4 puff stitch in space, and then I make 5 chain separation. In the next row I made 5 puff stitch and 6 chain here for separation. It should be continue until you want to have a how big it's gonna be, because I already made the small one like this. Yes, it's your option which one do you want, but I'm going to show you how we can make this beautiful edge to finish your work. In this case I made only the edge pattern only on the top of the puff stitch, and the chain between I may use the chain, but in the bigger one I also have the edge between the chain also. It's up to you, you decide, but let's start from here to make by 3 chain, and I'm going to make a 1 puff stitch at the top of the one with the third. When I finish that one, I'm going to make the pattern like that. And use the loops here and a slip stitch. Again, we repeat. Second one, make a slip stitch again. Make the third one. Then the same slip stitch. As you can see, you have 3 here. I'm going to make 3 chain, single crochet here, 3 chain, and I'm going to repeat a puff stitch on the top of the third one. Make 1 chain, and we are going to repeat. Let me make one more for you. That's slip stitch, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and repeat the other one. You can see here you have the edge for that one, but if you make it in bigger size, you have to have, instead of 3 chains here, you have to have 4 or 6. It depends how big is your work. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial as well, and if you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.